Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to use xAi to generate replies, summarize a post, or to fact check a post. So xAi, also known as Grok, is a very useful AI that you can use to scale your content writing as a city user. So I would look for a post. Let me scroll through. Okay, yeah, let me check this. This is Ethereum. Ask me any question, ask me anything announcement rather. So there is the Grok icon at the top right of your screen. You can always tap on that. It's going to explain the tweets for you. So just watch this. So whenever you see a tweet you want to get an explanation, just tap on the Grok icon and it's going to give you a breakdown of what that particular post is about. So you can see the breakdown. This post announced an AMA session for Ethereum, a BNB chain DeFi platform specializing in perpetual DEX trading, blah blah blah. Replies reveal intense community focus on the token generation event timeline with over 198 response, mostly querying when TG. Now if you want to generate a reply for this while you're here, just tap on this ask anything and you type generate a reply for me, or you could say generate a response for me, whichever one works. Or you could even make it shorter, say generate a brief reply for me, and you send, and Grok would generate a reply for you. So you can see I have a reply here. Looking forward to the AMA. The community is buzzing, hoping we get some clarity on TGE timeline during the session. LFG Ethereum at Ethereum. So you see when you copy this, so I want to make use of this response, you need to do some editing to it so it doesn't come out like an AI generated response. You know, AI would always have its handwriting, like for example the long I thing. So whenever I see it I ensure to remove it. So you can see this long I thing after the buzzing, you change it to comma. So this is simple. Looking forward to the AMA. The community is buzzing, hoping we get some clarity on TGE timeline during this session. So I can go ahead and post that. So it's better to engage posts with meaningful replies instead of just dropping short words that could actually get your account banned. So with Grok you can always generate meaningful replies that's related to the post you're actually replying to, and it doesn't just work with crypto. You could also do it with other entertainment related posts. Let me look for something else. Now okay, look at this post from Tola. Suggest a game for us to play. Intern is active. So let me tap on Grok. Let me see what Grok's suggestion would be. So I want to engage this post, for example. So it's easy to use Grok for anything at all. Just Grok it. So this is what Grok summarized the whole thing as. So let me ask it to generate a response for me. Now the thing about using this command, when you say generate a response for me, Grok will generate a response based on your X profile, your biography, your timeline, the things you're actually affiliated with, and then to give you a reply. So here is a few reply Grok generated for me. Cheeky / opportunistic style. Again, can type their wallet address fastest. When I guess absolutely nothing but clouds. Entangled George abeg. So you can see different kind of. Look at the last one. Pure chaos mode. Hide and seek, but the hiding spot is my empty wallet. Come find $0.00 there. Intern is the seeker. So you can see that's how you generate response for any tweet at all. And same way, if you find a news, you can easily grok it and ask Grok to fact check if it is true or false. So from your logic, is Daniel dropped Buga in 2002? Is Richard and JJ Okocha that retired in 2005? So let me say I want to get Grok's opinion about this. Who is richer between Kiss Daniel and JJ Okocha? So it's simple to use Grok, and using Grok from time to time would help you scale your content, help you reply meaningfully, and keep you active. So your replies can actually generate more engagement for you. In case you're short of ideas to reply, just Grok it. So this post humorously challenged a quoted claim that music earning outlast footballs by comparing Kizz Daniel's 2022 hit Buga to JJ Okocha's 2006 retirement. So let me ask a question. Who is richer between Kizz Daniel by autocorrect Kizz Daniel and JJ Okocha? Okay, so let me see what Grok has for me. So Grok says JJ Okocha is most likely richer than Kizz Daniel, and so that's it. That's how you make use of Grok. Just go through all of this, and you get your opinion about what Grok think based on resources that are available to the AI, and it's faster. You would get all of this information faster than the human can. So that's how you use Grok to scale your content as a writer. You can ask Grok to give you a breakdown about a project, tell you to summarize a project, and from there you can pick points to write your article or to start a thread with. So it's very simple. You don't need to really crack your head that much. AI is here to help us get the best out of this information and content writing. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next video.